walking up and down. What's the problem?
My stomach is paining me.
Can't see that you don't have sense. Your stomach is paining because your stomach is empty. Better go and put something inside before you die. Come on, leave this place, stupid boy. Mumu, disturbing me anyhow.
Let's get up to this sound.
But I'm not listening to that. So,
It's serious.
it's serious headache.
Why not gonna ask mama me go buy drug for you? Abi, they there they join yourself.
Raja! Go that chemist and like from there.
Go on,
Please buy paracetamol for me. Fast too, I think I'll beg you, better not die for you.
But Uncle, wait. Why do you need paracetamol?
Because my head is paining me, that's why I need paracetamol.
Do you know why?
No.
Because your head is empty.
Yeah!